coming to you from Asin Mansu Slave Market, and I'm here with one of my tour members, Miss Sharon Ball. You're from Philadelphia, right?
Yes.
Okay, and why don't you tell us what prompted you to come to Ghana on this trip?
I had always wanted to come to the continent to, I guess, feel connected again to my ancestors, to experience Africa for myself and not rely on what has been said about the continent, particularly in the mass media and the educational system. So I wanted to just be here. I felt it was important for me to be here.
Awesome. And since you've been here, has your view of Africa changed?
Yes, of course. Change, I don't know if it's a good word. I think, well, change is good. So I think it changed me more than just my view. Yeah.
Beautiful. That it does that to a lot of us, myself included. And I know that you're also a writer by profession. And while you were here when we had the repatriation and investment tour, there was a personality who was there who sparked your interest. And you have since written an article about her that's been published in the States already. Tell us a little bit about that.
Yes, the article I wrote about was on Peace Baku, who was the proprietor of, let me see if I can say this right, in Nadas is that. I don't want to mess that up, but it's a mountain-based red rice company. It's like a cooperative, and through her company, she was able to unite the women outgrowers of red rice to form a collaborative, a cooperative, and she is helping them to distribute their rice in the States and in the UK. And I just felt that was really an interesting story to tell the people in the US because it illustrates a few things, just how, you know, vast resources. We always think about diamonds and gold and metals and that sort of thing that come out of Africa, but it's food-based stuff. It's a lot of different stuff, and also just to share what, you know, women are doing here. Did they cut off? Yeah. Oh, okay. Just to share, you know, I have an interest in getting the stories out of women, you know, in the community and throughout the diaspora. So I just wanted to really share that story.
Okay, beautiful. And can you tell the people who are watching where they can go to read that article and some of the other articles that you write?
They can go to madamenoire.com. That's MADAMENOIRE.com, which is Miss Black, Mrs. Black, Miss Black, yeah. It's a Black women's lifestyle magazine, sort of like Essence, but it's online. Really big in the States, and definitely check out my post there as well as the article that I just recently published.
Beautiful. And for more information on Africa for the Africans, which is the tour group that brought Shireen and 26 others here, including myself, go to africafortheafricans.org. Until we meet again, keep it locked, and I hope to see you in beautiful Ghana, West Africa very soon. Peace.